Yanqing Node News. The Future Frequency.
Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. October 17th, 2025. 1. The massive DDoS botnet Aisuru, built upon compromised IoT devices, recently launched a record-breaking attack, peaking near against major US ISPs like AT&T and Comcast. This intelligent botnet, which utilizes zero-day exploits and spreads malware via firmware distributors, has significantly impacted service quality and forced some carriers to drop business partners. Experts emphasize that Aisuru poses a critical US network security threat, demanding immediate action from ISPs for egress filtering and mandatory security updates for vulnerable IoT hardware. 2. Google has enhanced its NotebookLM video overview feature by integrating the Nano Banana AI model, enabling the automatic generation of video visuals to accompany content summaries. Users can now select from 6 new AI-generated visual aesthetics, such as watercolor or anime, and choose between brief or explainer video formats to visualize complex documents. This upgrade aims to improve the interactive experience for knowledge workers and students by lowering the comprehension barrier for dull material, starting with NotebookLM Pro subscribers. 3. Intel unveiled its new Crescent Island inference GPU at the OCT Global Summit, featuring an energy-efficient, air-cooled design with LPDDR5X memory built on the SE3P architecture. This card is optimized for large model inference and enterprise AI clouds, offering a high-value, low-power alternative to mainstream solutions like the Nvidia H200. The launch signifies Intel's shift to a yearly GPU release cadence and a new strategy to build an open, heterogeneous AI software ecosystem to target agentic AI workloads. 4. Bangkok-based startup Aquawise showcased an AI water quality monitoring platform that leverages satellite remote sensing to provide low-cost, real-time diagnostics for aquaculture farmers in Southeast Asia. This system eliminates the need for expensive sensors by using AI algorithms and satellite images to analyze critical metrics like water temperature and dissolved oxygen, offering dynamic tracking and predictive risk warnings. The technology aims to significantly reduce the region's estimated annual loss due to water quality issues, empowering millions of small farmers to cope with diseases and extreme weather. 5. Nvidia launched the DGX Spark, a personal AI supercomputer that integrates the GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip of unified shared memory and up-to-of storage. Targeted at developers and labs, the compact device enables local inference for models up to parameters and local fine-tuning for parameter models, eliminating the need for remote cloud supercomputing. The Spark represents a significant step in desktop AI compute infrastructure, promoting AI democratization and serving as a platform standard for third-party AI PC manufacturers. 6. AI expert Andrei Karpathy open-source Nanochat, a minimalist, end-to-end system that allows users to train a conversational micro-LLM from scratch in 4 hours for only approximately in compute costs. This project automates the entire LLM pipeline, from tokenizer training and pre-training to dialogue fine-tuning and deployment, all managed by a single speedrun script. Nanochat provides a low-barrier, highly reproducible platform for LLM beginners and researchers, aiming to democratize the ability to create customized ChatGPT-like systems. 7. AJJ MedTech Holdings and Huaxi Intelligence signed in Mao to co-develop a multifunctional, companion-grade humanoid robot specifically designed for the elderly care market. Unlike traditional service bots, this HT11 robot leverages AI algorithms to provide emotional interaction, multilingual support, health monitoring, and crucial assistance with daily living and rehabilitation. The joint venture aims to bridge the care gap caused by manpower shortages in high-age societies, with initial clinical pilots scheduled in Singapore before expanding into the global smart elderly care sector. 8. MIT researchers unveiled SEAL, the self-adapting language models framework, which allows LLMs to achieve continuous evolution by generating their own tuning plans and editing their model parameters. The system employs a double closed-loop mechanism that uses an external RL loop to optimize learning strategy and an internal SFT loop for model adjustment based on synthesized data. SEAL marks a shift from static AI engineering towards self-evolving autonomous systems, demonstrating significant advances in low-resource generalization and knowledge injection over traditional methods. 9. Defense AI and smart manufacturing startups are relocating to the U.S. Midwest and Northeast, revitalizing former industrial cities like Detroit and those in Ohio and Pennsylvania. Companies such as Swarm Defense and Anduril are converting vacant factory spaces to mass-produce new equipment, including military drones, robotics, and AI weapon systems, with significant state and federal subsidies. This manufacturing repatriation, driven by policies favoring domestic defense tech, aims to build a strong, American-made high-end supply chain, primarily boosting high-skilled technical employment. 10. Huawei and its associated companies showcased a range of domestic semiconductor products, including AI chips, manufacturing equipment, and EDA software, highlighting China's ambition for self-sufficiency amid U.S. sanctions. Key exhibits included C-Carrier's etching and deposition systems, which claim percent localization and are aimed at 7 nanometers to 14 nanometers production lines, replacing older Western equipment. Although the technology generally lags 3 to 5 years behind U.S. counterparts in areas like EUV lithography, the coordinated effort marks a collective declaration of China's move toward an independent, vertically integrated chip ecosystem by 2028. 11. South Korea's ambitious one plan to fully implement AI-powered digital textbooks in its public schools by 2025 has been halted due to political opposition and widespread teacher resistance. The AI tools, designed to offer personalized teaching and reduce the need for private tutoring, faced skepticism from teachers who felt unprepared and reported increased burdens in classroom management. A legislative change downgraded the AI textbooks to merely auxiliary learning materials, effectively canceling central government mandates and funding, although approximately percent of schools continue using them in pilot programs. 12. Around 1 million people globally with facial differences are being excluded by widespread AI facial recognition systems, which frequently fail to identify their features as human and deny them access to services like airport security or banking. This problem is rooted in structural biases within training datasets, which overstandardize facial features and lack diverse samples, leading major models to prioritize high accuracy by excluding atypical faces. Ethical experts are calling for global legislation to mandate morphological diversity weights and inclusivity baselines, as this algorithmic exclusion extends inequality to the level of human physical variation. 13. Spotify has partnered with Sony, Universal, and Warner Music Groups, alongside independent bodies, to collaboratively develop artist-first, generative AI music products, establishing the first joint AI cooperation framework in streaming history. This strategy is built on 4 core principles, including mandatory pre-signing agreements with copyright holders, guaranteeing artists the choice to opt in their work for AI tools, and ensuring fair revenue sharing. The initiative aims to responsibly lead the AI music revolution by transforming the industry from defensive threats to proactive authorized innovation, and Spotify will label all AI-generated content with DDX standards. 14. Uber has launched a pilot program allowing U.S. drivers to earn extra money through small digital tasks managed by the company's new AI Solutions Group, which provides data labeling services to external clients. These flexible, non-driving tasks, such as uploading restaurant menus or recording audio in various accents, offer drivers supplementary income and help Uber meet the surging demand for high-quality AI training data. This move repositions Uber as a distributed workforce network for AI solutions, challenging existing crowdsourcing competitors like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Scale AI in the rapidly growing data annotation market. 15. ByteDance Doubao captured the title of China's most popular AI application in August 2025, reaching over monthly active users by prioritizing its role as a friendly, personalized, digital companion. The application's rapid success stems from its multimodal capabilities, including image and video generation, and its deep integration with the Douyin content distribution platform. Doubao successfully leveraged ByteDance expertise in mobile user growth and algorithmic engineering to capture the light engagement AI trend, contrasting with the more tool-focused models of its competitors. 16. ARM and Meta formed a strategic partnership to scale Meta's AI efforts, specifically migrating crucial ranking and recommendation systems onto ARM's high-efficiency Neoverse computing platform. This collaboration emphasizes performance per watt, allowing Meta to efficiently manage the massive compute demands from generative AI and recommendation algorithms for its over billion users. The agreement supports Meta's construction of multi-gigawatt super data centers and marks a strategic step toward computational autonomy, diversifying its core infrastructure away from predominant GPU vendors. 17. Online travel search engine Kayak introduced AI Mode, a fully integrated chat assistant that enables users to perform complex searches and bookings for flights, hotels, and rentals using natural language prompts. The system utilizes the Gemini API combined with Kayak's vast price history and database to offer personalized recommendations and streamline the early stages of travel planning. By choosing an internal deployment strategy over external platform integrations, Kayak ensures it maintains full control over user data and gains direct insights to continuously optimize its core search and recommendation algorithms. 18. AI startups are increasingly prioritizing the proprietary collection of high-quality data to eliminate reliance on unreliable external sources and create unique competitive advantages. For instance, Turing Labs employs skilled workers using GoPro cameras to film complex tasks from multiple angles, generating data essential for training visual AI in task sequencing and spatial reasoning. This strategy confirms that data quality is now the primary determinant of AI performance, exemplified by Fixer, which uses expert human annotators to build small but high-precision training sets for specialized tasks. 19. Google DeepMind and Commonwealth Fusion Systems, CFS, partnered to apply DeepMind's Thorax AI system, which uses deep reinforcement learning to simulate and optimize the operation of CFS's Spark fusion reactor. The AI is crucial for dynamically controlling the complex plasma confinement, a major technical hurdle for fusion, aiming to help Spark achieve net energy gain when it begins testing in late 2026. Google's interest extends to securing sustainable power for its massive computing needs, evidenced by its investment in CFS and its agreement to purchase of power from CFS's future commercial plant, ARC. 20. A systematic study on AR14 established the first compute scaling law for reinforcement learning, RL, in large language model, LLM, training, based on extensive experiments exceeding GPU hours. The paper introduces technical innovations like group normalized advantage functions and dynamic asymmetric policy optimization, DeepMind, to stabilize RL training and enhance scalability in large GPU clusters. The research concludes that RL benefits experience sublinear decay beyond a certain threshold, positioning the efficiency of RL algorithms and compute synergy as the primary drivers of future LLM performance. 21. Meta and OSU researchers presented the early experience, training paradigm, an intermediate method enabling language agents to achieve self-growing learning by using data generated from their own actions in an environment. The framework operates without external rewards, instead using implicit world modeling to learn environmental dynamics and self-reflection to generate natural language critiques of failed actions. This approach yielded significant success rate increases over pure imitation learning and demonstrated superior performance when models later transitioned into reward-based reinforcement learning stages. 22. Tencent introduced the training-free GRPO method, an AI innovation that enables models to self-improve through introspection and semantic advantage memory without requiring expensive parameter updates from fine-tuning or reinforcement learning. This process involves the model internally comparing its own reasoning paths and summarizing successful strategies in natural language, effectively learning how to think rather than what to output. The low-cost method achieved performance comparable to RLHF systems for a total cost of only, potentially democratizing high-performance AI development and challenging traditional machine learning paradigms. 23. Ant Group unveiled DInfer, an open-source AI inference framework designed for diffusion language models, DLMs, that enables content generation in parallel, breaking the bottlenecks of traditional autoregressive models. Internally, DInfer achieved inference speeds up to 10 times faster than Nvidia's fast LLM and reduced energy consumption by approximately %, while ensuring compatibility with various domestic Chinese chip architectures. This strategic move, coupled with the release of the trillion-parameter Ling 1T model, highlights China's focus on algorithmic autonomy to overcome hardware constraints and shift the AI race toward efficiency. 24. Driven by a severe crisis of teacher overwork and staff shortages, Japan's edtech market is projected to grow times to reach billion yen by 2027. Government and local startups are implementing AI tools, such as microsimulations Testis, auto-grading system, to significantly reduce teachers' administrative burdens and improve classroom efficiency. This shift, supported by billion yen in government funding under the 2025 AI Promotion Act, positions AI as a core teacher empowerment tool that has already demonstrated an approximate % reduction in teacher out-of-class workload. 25. Google released Veo 3.1, a major upgrade to its AI video generation model, which is now fully integrated into its Flow editor and Vertex AI platform. The new version features significant improvements in prompt adherence, introduces simultaneous audio generation, and offers advanced editing tools such as scene extension and object insertion with automatic lighting adaptation. Veo 3.1 strengthens Google's position against competitors by prioritizing creative control and narrative consistency, offering resolutions up to 1080p and a % fast version suitable for social media content. 26. Infinity Foundation introduced Caffeine, a decentralized AI platform that allows users to automatically build and deploy full production-grade web applications simply by conversing with the system in natural language. Running on the Internet Computer Protocol, ICP, blockchain, Caffeine uses the Motoko language to integrate security upgrades and ensure applications are tamper-proof, eliminating reliance on centralized cloud services like AWS. This platform aims to replace traditional development teams, drastically reducing enterprise IT costs and fulfilling the vision of a self-writing internet where anyone can become a potential developer. 27. U.S. venture capital is concentrating early-stage AI investment on vertical applications, marking a shift away from foundational models toward practical enterprise solutions. For major investment hotspots include back-end business automation, AI robotics, specialized healthcare tools for doctors, and generative AI platforms for drug discovery and biotechnology. This trend indicates that investors are seeking tangible returns on investment by funding startups that address critical real-world bottlenecks like labor shortages and information overload with specialized, high-efficiency AI systems. 28. David Sachs, the Trump administration's AI czar, publicly attacked Anthropic, accusing the major AI firm of engaging in regulatory capture by using lobbying and fear narratives to promote favorable policies that stifle smaller startups. Sachs himself faces scrutiny due to his conflicting role as a government advisor and a partner at Kraft Ventures, which invests in AI defense contractors, leading to criticism of political and business entanglement. The controversy underscores a significant industry divide, where large AI companies seek standardized regulation while investors fear that regulatory hurdles only solidify the market dominance of established players. 29. AI music generation platform Suno Incorporated is in talks for a new funding round that would elevate its valuation past billion, demonstrating a fourfold increase in just 6 months. The company operates a successful freemium model and has achieved over $1 million in annualized revenue by enabling users to generate complete, diverse music tracks instantly from simple text prompts. Suno is now engaged in critical legal and partnership negotiations with major record labels, including Sony and Universal, seeking to resolve copyright concerns and integrate its rapidly growing product into the mainstream music industry. 30. Tensions have heightened between influential Silicon Valley executives and AI safety advocates, with figures like David Sachs openly accusing safety organizations of manufacturing fear to push for regulatory policies. The conflict escalated further as OpenAI issued court subpoenas to 7 nonprofits, demanding internal communications to investigate their funding sources and alleged coordination with Meta and Elon Musk. This dynamic showcases a severe industry rift, pitting the powerful growth-first contingent, which opposes regulation, against the safety-first groups that advocate for urgent governmental accountability and stringent AI standards. 31. Google launched the Google Maps tool integration into the Gemini API, providing developers with the capability to ground the large language model's responses using real-time geographical data. This integration allows Gemini to directly access Google Maps database of over 1 million locations globally, enhancing the accuracy and context of AI recommendations while mitigating model hallucinations. The feature supports the development of personalized, location-aware applications across sectors like travel and real estate, and it includes the option to embed interactive maps widgets directly into the user interface. 32. Snowflake and Palantir deepened their collaboration, integrating Snowflake's data platform with Palantir's Foundry and AIP solutions to accelerate the development and deployment of enterprise AI projects. The partnership's key technical advancement involves using the Apache Iceberg data format, which enables direct access to external datasets, eliminating manual data replication and drastically improving data flow efficiency. This seamless data circulation is crucial for empowering specialized AI agents, ensuring they access the most secure and real-time business data necessary for accurate, automated decision-making. 33. BNY Mellon announced the deployment of over AI-driven digital employees that are now integrated into its operational workflows, each assigned a personal ID, email, and human manager. These multi-agent AI systems manage critical functions such as payment error correction and code repair, demonstrating the bank's commitment to AI as a core production strategy. BNY Mellon aims to foster a culture of human-machine collaboration, having trained nearly % of its staff on its internal Eliza AI platform, positioning the bank as a leader in realizing AI investment returns on Wall Street. 34. ByteDance is quietly advancing its global AI strategy with CC, the international counterpart to its highly popular Chinese chatbot Doubao, which focuses on rapid expansion in mobile markets outside the US and China. CC leverages ByteDance's mastery of mobile operations and addictive interaction engineering, using foreign models like OpenAI and Gemini to challenge desktop-focused competitors. This global push, marked by extensive advertising in regions like Mexico, aims to capture a new generation of users through strong multimodal capabilities and a free-to-use strategy. 35. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman announced that ChatGPT will allow the generation of explicit content for users who pass strict age verification, commencing in December 2025. This strategic shift aims to unlock a new revenue stream by entering the adult content market, although OpenAI simultaneously committed to enhanced protections like parental controls and automatic age detection for minors. The decision immediately ignited public controversy, with critics questioning if the company can ensure sufficient safety against psychological risks, addiction, and unauthorized access, demanding stronger industry regulation. 36. The billion hedge fund Viking Global Investors has deployed Viking GPT 2.0, a proprietary generative AI chat assistant used for generating investment ideas and stress testing trading strategies. The system's core value lies in its ability to serve as a skeptical alter ego, challenging fund managers' assumptions and consolidating information, rather than making automated trading decisions. With a percent increase in daily usage, Viking GPT illustrates how leading financial institutions are accelerating AI integration to boost team efficiency and critical thinking through robust human-machine collaboration. For full details, please check the source link in description. Thank you for listening. See you next time.